Hello, today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to maintain your PC by keeping it dust free. Here's a PC which has arrived and needs repairing. One of the things I'm going to be doing to it, which is what I want to show you now, is to clean the dust out. Dust clogs up the internal workings of the computer, and it also insulates the components, which is generally bad really. So I'm just going to open it up. Lay it down flat. Right, there we have it. So you can see inside here there's a load of dust collected at the bottom, but importantly it's around the CPU fan and the heatsink, which is really bad, and it will slow your machine down and it could cause great problems. So I'm going to use my lovely powerful air duster. As you can see, it's quite noisy, and also the dust goes everywhere, which is why I'm doing this outside. I'll show you just a quick blast, and it's already cleaned up the CPU quite a lot. Just give it a bit more of a go. And there we have it, all nice and clean. And you could see that I didn't actually touch any of the internal components there. You can get canisters of compressed gas, but they're quite expensive and run out and tend to get very, very cold. Whereas this, which is an Arrow Pro I think it's called, cost about £50, and I can use it again and again and again, and it seems to be better than the canisters. And that's how to successfully clean dust from your PC, which will help it stay cool and allow it to run more quickly, and it will last you a lot longer. Thanks for watching.